contest for the little Murloc dude. Really cute and adorable. Basically, you put the URL into the YouTube contest options. I'm looking at the screen over here. And then you hit get YouTube comments, and then you can go down to the start raffle thing and pick a random winner. So that's pretty much how we're going to choose our random winner. Everybody only commented once. We deleted all excessive comments that were on that video. I think only like 2 people commented more than once, and it was only in reply to stuff. So that way it's fair.
It's got here filter
duplicate users too. But I went through and I deleted it.
I think it lost the URL. Put it in again.
There we go. Hit filter duplicate just for giggles.
Okay.
Include filter comments based on specific text. Nope, doesn't need to. Nope, don't include replies to comments.
Yeah, exactly.
No, don't include.
Oh.
There we go. All right. And then there's nothing else that's really there. We're not adding extra entries or anything like that. Right. So hit get YouTube comments first. Oh. I think. And then amount of unique comments. There's 15 people that entered. So if you scroll down, it will then give you a random raffle pick random winner. I've never done this on camera before, so let's see who pops up.
All right,
go ahead.
Let's hit the start.
Yeah. Melissa Kilburn. That's so cute. I would like to be entered. Just recently found your channel because I was looking for a dinosaur to make my 2-year-old granddaughter. I just love all your crochet critters. That is so sweet. And nice. You won. So if you've won, comment. I'll reply to your comment on my end and do all that stuff. And I will tell you how to get a hold of me. And that way we can get your information and send you that cute little Murloc. Murloc. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. Just wanted to do a little quick video and tell you who won. Who won. Yeah. Congrats to Melissa Kilburn. I hope I'm saying your last name right.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to Badger Bunker.